Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your Reddit username and explain when it's actually possible. So let's get started. First, it's important to know that on Reddit, your username is usually permanent. Once you set it, especially if you created your account manually, you can't change it later. However, there's one exception. If you signed up using Google, Apple, or your email and Reddit assigned you a temporary username, Reddit gives you one chance to change it. Open the Reddit app or go to reddit.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then go to Profile. If your account is eligible, you will see a prompt that says something like, "Would you like to change your username?" And then you can tap Change Username, then type in your desired username. Make sure it follows Reddit's guidelines and is available. Once you hit Save, it becomes your permanent username and you won't be able to change it again. If you don't see the prompt to change your username, just like in my case, it means your current one is already permanent, and unfortunately, Reddit does not allow changes or edits to usernames after that. And that's how you change your Reddit username, only if your account is eligible. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any queries about using Reddit or other social platforms. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.